Making the impossible possible. Squaring the circle. My motto: plain honesty, simple truth, easy understanding. The joy of finding things out for yourself. 1. Take a line PO. 2. At O, draw a circle of radius equal to 1. 3. Extend O to touch side of circle to give diameter AB and line PB, and through O draw diameter CD at right angles to AB. 4. Draw a line QR touching the circle at D and parallel to PB. Take a copy of the circle ABC and label A-B-C-D- and superimpose on ABCD. 5. Roll A-B-C-D- half a turn along QR until D-C- is vertical to PB and B-A- is coincident with PB. Since the circumference of the given circle equals 2 pi r equals 2 pi 1 equals 2 pi for unit radius, then the line C-D equals O-O is equal to semicircle CAD equals pi. 6. Dissect the line O-B, and from the point of dissection K, draw the semicircle O-TB. From O, erect a perpendicular to meet the circumference of the circle at S. From the point of dissection K, draw the radius of the semicircle to meet the point S on the circumference. Complete the square on SO. Then will the square on SO be equal to pi, QED. 7. Now, the diameter of the circle O-B is equal to O-O plus OB is equal to pi plus 1. Let O-O equal A and OB equal B. Then radius O-K is equal to radius KS is equal to A plus B all divided by 2. Radius KB is equal to KO plus OB. Therefore, KO is equal to KB minus OB is equal to brackets A plus B all divided by 2 minus B is equal to A plus B brackets all divided by 2 minus B over 2 minus B over 2, which reduces to KO is equal to A minus B all divided by 2. By Pythagoras, the solution for the right angled triangle KSO is therefore bracket A plus B all divided by 2 close brackets all squared minus brackets A minus B all divided by 2 close brackets all squared is equal to the half chord OS all squared. From Euclid Book 2, Proposition 8, A plus B all divided by 2 all squared minus A minus B all divided by 2 all squared is equal to AB. Therefore, the half chord OS is equal to the square root of AB is equal to the square root of pi times 1 is equal to the square root of pi. Therefore, the square on OS has an area equal to pi, QED. Also, by Euclid Book 2, Proposition 14, the square on the half chord OS is equal to the area of the parallelogram O-C-DO, the sides of which are pi and 1, so equals pi times 1 equals pi, QED. 8. As it stands, squaring of a circle using compass and ruler only is impossible, because one cannot transpose the circumference of a semicircle to a line of equivalent length using compass and ruler only. 9. However, by rotating the circle as demonstrated, we have made the impossible possible. 10. However, by the following lemma, we make the impossible false. Lemma. To rotate a circle using ruler and compass only. 1. Draw a circle complete with diameter. 2. Mark the points of intersection with the diameter of a slightly smaller internal circle. 3. Using the compass stroke divider, cut out a free circle. 4. Using the ruler, draw a line and placing the free circle on the ruler, locate the compass in the points of intersection and use the compass to rotate the circle along the ruler stroke line. 5. The diameter, giving the start and finish points for the circumference of the semicircle on the line, then the length of the segment between the points is equal to pi, QED. Since generating this video, I came across the following great video due to Manoj Dhakal. At the start, he gives the following quotation due to Yuri Manin. A good proof is a proof that makes us wiser. Having given the reasons for the impossibility of squaring the circle, he says, but then the real question is, does being impossible stop us from exploring the problem through a different perspective? For me, it doesn't. And for me, it doesn't, as I am in total 100% agreement with the sentiment. The ironic thing for me is that his upload date is my birth date. Now we have 2,000 years unsolved. Why is doubling cubes and squaring cubes impossible? A Mathologer upload. Now, Mathologer, on the other hand, just trots out the establishment proof that the construction is impossible since pi is transcendental and therefore a non-constructible number in just 74 seconds. He then spends 80 seconds spouting the established creed of the last 150 years. 1. All attempted proofs will be flawed and therefore false. 2. If one changes the rules, whose rules I ask, just a tiny little bit, then no problem at all to squaring the circle. No example given, still waiting. 3. All our pointless endeavours and quests have enabled the establishment to write many pointless books about the pointless proofs. So what? Does he think we shy away with embarrassment? 4. Likewise, the establishment has made numerous pointless attempts to prove our attempts are futile, up to, and I suspect beyond, Lindemann's now accepted 1872 transcendental proof. 5. We need to ensure that we truly understand the rules, so one must very carefully study the rules until we think like them and see our futility and just give up in despair. Not me, not Manoj. The following publication, available as a Gutenberg project free download, contains a 21-page account of squaring the circle, and a few excerpts are given on the next 2 slides. I wonder where Mathologer got his comments from.